A little something, something, something like.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Zafro back with another video. Remember to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like my videos, as it means more people are able to see it, and we're trying to do that. So yeah, today's going to be a get ready with me style video. It's going to be a mixture of talk through and just watching me do my makeup, mainly just watching me do my makeup. But yeah, I'm just going to do something simple because I want to take some pictures, and I also need to film another video, which is my hair video, what I've been doing for my natural hair. I haven't really decided on the title of that video, but it's been requested as to what I've been doing with my natural hair to get it to this stage. Because if you follow me on Snapchat, I did post a couple weeks ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, my natural hair journey through Snapchat, just finding old pictures of how my hair used to be and how it is now, and there's been a huge difference. So I need to film that after this video, but first I wanted to put on a bit of makeup and, you know, just feel a bit cute. So I decided to do a get ready with me as well. I'm also vlogging today, so there's literally 3 videos happening at similar times today. But first I'm gonna go in with the Mario Badescu skincare facial spray with aloe, herbs and rose water, and just to refresh my skin, because yeah, and it also is good for hydrating it. I used to do my brows first, but now I don't. I do them towards the end of my makeup routine. But yeah, I think I should zoom in a bit so you guys can see more of what I'm doing. I think that's good. I'm just putting my hair away. Alright, so I haven't actually put on makeup in 2 weeks. What do I even do first? I usually do primer first. So I like to mix my primers. I use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop matte primer, and I use this for my T-zone, and then I use the Revolution Hydrate and Prime primer, and I just use that to go over my entire face. I don't know, I feel like using hydrating primers on oily skin low-key helps combat your oily skin, because I've got combination skin. So yeah, and then this matte primer helps with my T-zone areas, which get the most oily. But I am looking for a new primer like this, because this one I do have to pat in. It does its job, but if you don't pat it in, if you rub it in, it will flake. So I try to avoid doing that, so I just pat that in, and then I go in with the hydration. So I think I am going to switch to a montage, because I do want to play some music, but anything I need to talk about I'll just pop on the screen so you guys can see. But I just feel like playing some music. I also just made a current playlist because I'm going to film that on Wednesday. And also it's just songs I've been listening to, I've been vibing to of late, old, new, mixture of everything. So I'm going to film that on Wednesday, so you guys have some more content, and the sun is coming for me, yes, because I just love using natural light, and I feel it helps so much. Obviously certain videos the ring light helps a lot, and yeah, it just depends on the day really, depends on how it works. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking so you guys can watch what I do for my everyday makeup. But I might just do, I don't know what I'm doing, we'll see what happens. I feel like a pop of colour would be cute, so we'll see.
Do that, get my shit together just to go and fucking lose it. I'm foolish.
A black woman from infinity to infinity. Here we go. U-N-I-T-Y. Let 'em know. U-N-I-T-Y. That's a unity. U-N-I-T-Y. You gotta let 'em know. Live a black man from infinity to infinity. Instinct leads me to another flow. Every time I hear a brother call a girl a bitch or a hoe, trying to make a sister feel low. months to go. Now everybody knows there's exceptions to this rule. I don't be getting mad when we playing, it's cool. But don't you be cool.
I just need you off my mind. I just need you
Calling me out my name, I bring rap to those who disrespect me like a dame. That's why I'm talking. One day I was walking down a block, I had my cut off shorts on, right? Cause it was crazy hot. I walked past these dudes when they passed me. One of them felt my booty, he was nasty. I turned around red, somebody was catching the wrath. Then the little one said,
yeah, me, bitch.
And laughed. Since he was with his boys, he tried to break fly. I punched him dead in his eye and said, who you calling a bitch? U-N-I-T-Y. Let him know. U-N-I-T-Y, that's a unit. Here we go. U-N-I-T-Y. Love a black woman from infinity to infinity. Here we go. U-N-I-T-Y. Let him know. U-N-I-T-Y, that's a unit. Here we go. U-N-I-T-Y. Love a black man from infinity to infinity. I hit the bottom, there ain't nowhere else to go but up. Bad days at work give you an attitude and you erupt. And take it out on me, but that's about enough. You put your hands on me again, I'll put your ass in handcuffs. I guess I fell so deep in love, I grew dependency. I was too blind to see just how it was affecting me. All that I knew is you was all the man I had. And I was scared to let you go, even though you treated me bad. But I don't wanna see my kids see me getting beat down by daddy smacking mommy all around. You say I'm nothing without you, but I'm nothing with you. A man don't really love you if he hits you. This is my notice to the door. I'm not taking it no more. I'm not your personal whore. That's not what I'm here for. Ain't nothing good gon' come to you till you do right by me. Brother, you wait and see. Who you calling a bitch? U-N-I-T-Y. Let 'em know. U-N-I-T-Y. That's how you're not. Here we go. U-N-I-T-Y. Love a black man from infinity to infinity. Here we go. U-N-I-T-Y. Let 'em know. U-N-I-T-Y. That's how you're not. Here we go. U-N-I-T-Y. Love a black woman from infinity to infinity. What's going on in your mind is what I ask you. But like yo, you don't hear me though. You wear a rag around your head and you call yourself a gangster bitch. Now that G's video, I saw you wildin', acting like a fool. I peeped you out the window, jumping girls after school. But where did all of this come from? A minute ago you was a nerd and nobody ever heard of you. Now you a wannabe hard. You barely know your ABCs. There's plenty of people out there with triggers ready to pull it while you trying to jump in front of the bullet. Young lady, and real bad girls are the silent type. Ain't none of this worth getting your face sliced. Cause that's what happened to your homegirl, right? She got to wear that for life. Who you calling a bitch? U-N-I-T-Y. U-N-I-T-Y. That's how you not. Here we go. U-N-I-T-Y. Love a black man from infinity to infinity. Here we go.
Just a queen on a king bed. I can be a throne for the evening.
U-N-I-T-Y. Let 'em know. U-N-I-T-Y. Here we go. U-N-I-T-Y. Let 'em know. Black woman from infinity to infinity. Here we go. U-N-I-T-Y. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, you gotta let 'em know. You ain't a bitch, you're a hoe. Here we go.
first place. These wounds sink deeper than the bullet your entitled hands could ever reach. Generations and generations of pain, fear, and anxiety. You think your so-called black friend validates your wokeness and erases your racism. That
this looks on camera, but I really like how it looks in person. It looks cute. I just need to put mascara on and that's it. But I just need to find it because I literally do not recall where I placed my mascara. I just looked at my makeup in the mirror just across my room, and oh my god, I love it. I found my mascara. It literally took about 5 minutes just to find my mascara, but it's the Kiko 30-day lash extension. I mentioned this in pretty much all my makeup videos, so it's up to you if you listen to me or not. Also, I forgot, I usually use a lash curler. I just forgot, so yeah, if you want to use this, use this. I literally forgot, so there's no point. Okay, so that is the end of the get ready with me. I really like how this makeup came out, really cute, sort of like full vibes to be honest. But yeah, it's gonna be definitely cute to take some pictures and to film my next video. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to hit that subscribe button and to hit that like button so more people can see my videos, and yeah, stay tuned for future videos because it's all about consistency on this channel. Yeah, I try to be as consistent as possible, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.